We've got a fun box today. Let's dig in. These have been super popular on here, so I had to try one out. This is the SpinBase Max, Andover Audio's solution for a speaker that sits directly under your record player. My first question when I saw these was, how does it not vibrate your record player and still give out good sound? So believe me, we're gonna test that. But while we set this thing up, here's what they say about it. Andover has something called IsoGroove technology, which is their way of dampening and isolating the vibrations and what the record player sits on top of. We went with the white option here to match the record player aesthetics, and boy does this thing look crisp. It makes my record player look even more like a piece of art here too. But let's get down to it, let's talk about sound. This thing is packed with a two-way vintage stereo speaker system, 270-degree speaker array to fill up your room, two 20mm silk dome tweeters, and two long excursion woofers. And then this beautiful mesh front looks premium. But finally, let's bump it. Not a single vibration felt on my player. That's actually incredible. And here I am actually putting my phone on the player as the volume is basically maxed out. There's no vibrations. I'm sold.